Paris is not just a city, it's a feeling, a rhythm, a timeless story written in light, stone, and shadow. Today, let's take a cinematic journey through Paris in stunning 4K. Welcome to the City of Lights, a place where history meets romance, where every street feels like a movie scene and every sunrise tells a new story. This is Paris in 4K. It's a cinematic journey through one of Europe's most iconic cities. As the sun rises over Paris, the city awakens gently. Soft golden light touches the Eiffel Tower, standing tall as a symbol of elegance and resilience. The Seine flows quietly, reflecting centuries of art, culture, and life. Morning in Paris feels calm, poetic, a reminder that beauty doesn't need to rush. Walk through the streets of Paris, and you'll feel its soul. Cafes open their doors, the sound of cups, conversations, and footsteps fill the air. Locals walk to work, artists prepare their canvases, and the city breathes naturally, effortlessly. This is not just a destination, this is everyday European life. Paris is home to some of the world's most celebrated landmarks. The Louvre, where art speaks across centuries. Notre-Dame, a masterpiece of history and devotion. Montmartre, where creativity lives in every corner and the city unfolds beneath you. Each place tells a story, each frame captures a memory. The Seine River is the heart of Paris. Bridges connect more than streets, they connect moments, people, and dreams. Couples walk hand in hand, boats glide through reflections of golden light, and Paris reveals its romantic soul. This is why the world falls in love with this city. As the sun begins to set, Paris transforms. Warm tones paint the sky, architecture glows softly, and time seems to slow down. Golden hour in Paris is pure cinema. Every second feels unforgettable. When night falls, Paris truly becomes the city of lights. The Eiffel Tower sparkles, street lamps glow, and reflections dance on the Seine. The city feels alive, elegant, and eternal. Paris at night isn't loud, it's magical. Paris is more than a place on the map. It's a story you experience, a memory you carry with you. If this cinematic journey inspired you, take a moment to like the video, subscribe for more cinematic travel films, and share this journey with someone who loves Europe.